Alright, so guys, I'm back with the IQ option. So let's open the first trade with $350. So what I had, the problem is, let me just open the first trade. So this one is going up. Yeah. The problem with the other, the problem with the other, so this one is going up. So the problem with the other exchange is that they did not stop me when I was making smaller amount. So that's why I had my problem with. I was trading simply on their platform. I never had no problem with them. I was using the indicators provided by them. I was trading with my own strategy. I don't know why, when once I made some good sum of money, and when I tried to withdraw my money from that account, what they did is that they said, no, you cannot open or withdraw your money. You cannot withdraw your money. And yeah, that's a little bit crazy because why not? I was simply trading like everybody else. I gave them free access to the course. I said that you can go to the course, right? You can go to the course. There is no first win. There is no problem with me. Just try to go to the course and you will understand what I was doing. Yeah. Yeah. So you will understand what I was doing, but they did not. They did. They didn't want to listen to me because I'm gonna tell you why. Because they wanted to take my money. They wanted to take my money. I said, just give me my money back and ban me from your exchange. Give me my money, and I will delete my account. I will never come back to this exchange. But they did not. They wanted my money. These assholes. All right, all right. Let's go. Let's open another trade. All right. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, I'm trading binary option on IQ option, the same strategy. So if you have access to the course, guys, go to the last chapter. Yeah, last chapter. Let's open here. This one is going down. Yeah, this one is going down. Or, yeah, let me just check. You know what? Alright. I guess I missed here. Yeah. But that's okay. So, as I was saying, is that I had some problems with this exchange. I told them that you will have free access to my course, right? You will have free access to my course, and you can just check it by yourself and see that I wasn't using nothing abnormal. I was using my simple strategy. They said no, you can't do that, and they took everything. Not took, but my money is on hold right now. My money is on hold on their platform. I'm trying my best to get my money back, but I don't see how. Honestly, I don't see how. I'm facing this problem for more than a week now, and they did not respond yet. I'm waiting for them to respond to my emails. Yeah, and hopefully, all right. Let's take this win. Great. Let's open the next one. All right, the next one. The next one is going up 100%. So as I was saying, is that I was facing this problem with this exchange for the first time. I never had this problem. I told them why you did not stop me when I was making smaller amounts when I was making $10,000, $20,000. Well, you waited for me to make all that amount of money, and then you decided that no, I wasn't going with their policies, with their rules. And which rules? What rules that don't allow you to trade with your strategy on their platform? I was using same thing. I was using parabolic SAR. So yeah, I was using parabolic SAR. I was using Bollinger Bands. I was using RSI and my chart patterns. That's it. There's nothing complicated than that. But they said no. You are not playing with our rules. What they meant is I wasn't losing. I was supposed to lose. I wasn't losing. They wanted me to lose. They will make money. Remember that. They will make money when you lose money. Just remember that. And that's why my first advice, guys, to you, and my only advice to you is before trading, before learning a good strategy, you need to choose the best platform. Pick the right one for you. So do your own research. I trade binary option on IQ option. I trade binary option in Quotex, on Olympic trade, on binary option, on binary.com, sorry, on and plenty of other platforms. So I'm not advising you to choose anyone. I'm just telling you to look for the best one for you. Do your own research, because guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Let's face it, I'm not a financial advisor, and I will never give you financial advices. If you need financial advices, just look for a good one, for the right one, and a financial advisor, and perhaps they will give you financial advice that you're looking for. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. Binary option is a good opportunity. So yeah, another win. All right, so binary option is a great opportunity, guys, and I want you to look and learn. Perhaps you can learn from my course. Also, you can learn with free content, with books, with videos on YouTube. There's plenty good content that will help you. Become a better trader, right? And if you want to learn from my course, that's also great. That's great for me, for you. You can have my strategy. You can become a better trader by using my own strategy. So please go take a look at the strategy. Yeah, we still have 8 seconds. All right. Oh, I just lost here. But that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. All right. Let's open now. Let's open $500. I will recover that loss. So I wasn't focusing. I don't know.